In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a privacy policy to Squarespace. Beginner tutorial. By the end, you'll have a clean, dedicated page for your privacy policy that looks professional and is easy for visitors to find. This is especially important if you collect customer information or run an online store. And while this is a practical walkthrough, always tailor the content to your business and local regulations. Start by opening your Squarespace site dashboard and head to Pages. We'll create a brand new page, so choose Add, then select a blank page. Name this page Privacy Policy so it's crystal clear to your visitors and easy to manage later. Once the page is created, open it in the editor by clicking Edit. On the new blank page, add a section and choose a blank section to keep things simple. Inside that section, add a block and select Text. Type the page title, Privacy Policy, at the top. Highlight this title and set it to Heading 1 so it stands out and follows good accessibility practices. Next, add another text block under the heading for the body of your policy. Here's where you'll paste or write your content. A straightforward policy usually starts with a short introduction like, "Your privacy is important to us." This policy explains how we collect, use, protect, and share your information when you use our website. From there, include clear sections such as information we collect, how we use your information, cookies and tracking, third-party services, data security, your rights and choices, and contact information. If you're starting from a template, replace any placeholders like your store name and your contact email with your real details before publishing. Avoid leaving bracketed placeholders in your live text. To make the page easier to scan, format each section name as a subheading and keep paragraphs short. If you mention email contact, write it plainly, like your contact email address, rather than pasting sensitive details you wouldn't want shared elsewhere. Keep your tone clear and avoid jargon so visitors can understand their rights at a glance. When you're done writing and formatting, click Save at the top to publish your changes. After saving, preview the page to make sure the heading, spacing, and links look right on both desktop and mobile. As a helpful next step, consider adding this privacy policy page to your site's footer or main navigation so it's always accessible from any page. That's it. Your privacy policy page is live and ready. Keep it updated as your practices or tools change, and you'll stay transparent and user-friendly.